Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'm going to show you our Jayden 1000 model. Manufactured in our workshops, this model is part of our encapsulated range. This 10-inch deep mattress gives a medium feel, contoured support, and consists of 1000 of our unique Curvation individual pocket springs. These work independently, giving a contoured support throughout your body. These are then encapsulated to give the edge a firm feel and increase the overall sleeping surface of the mattress. Multiple layers of hypoallergenic cooling memory foam fillings are then layered on top of the springs to give a luxurious sleeping surface. The mattress fabric used is our exclusive soft touch knitted mattress fabric, which is exceptional for moisture absorption, maintaining your comfort throughout the night. The border of the mattress is side stitched, and flag stitch rotating handles make it easy to rotate the mattress. Air vents allow moisture in the mattress to evaporate throughout the day, keeping the sleeping surface fresh all year round.